Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today I am going to show you my favorite yarn, the sfere brand fiocco cotton yarn. So this yarn is really nice. This is 100% cotton. These two yarn is same yarn, 100% cotton yarn. This color shade is pink and this color shade is purple. This yarn is so pretty and so beautiful. I have a lot of yarn in this brand because I love this brand. You can make a lot of things with this yarn: baby shoes, head, scarf, shawl, amigurumi item, collar, baby dress, lot of items. This yarn is very comfortable for summer. This yarn recommended 2.5 mm to 3.00 mm crochet hook. I always use 2.5 mm crochet hook for this yarn. This yarn shade number is 7386 and this yarn shade number is 7410. I can make a lot of things with this yarn. There are many tutorials in this yarn in my channel. The link will be given in the description box. You can understand the thickness of the yarn by watching the tutorials. I love this brand yarn. I hope you like this brand yarn too. If you want to buy, you can go to online or you can go to the market and you can find this brand yarn very easily. That's all today. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Happy crochet. Bye bye.